Welcome to English Stories for Listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you genuinely want to be fluent in English. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a boy named Sam. Sam was very poor. He lived with his mother, brother, and sister. Sam's father had died when he was very young. His mother, a kind and hard-working woman, did everything she could to take care of them. She taught Sam to be strong and kind, to always do his best, and to never give up. Every morning, Sam woke up early to help his mother. They had a small garden where they grew vegetables. Sam watered the plants and pulled out the weeds. His mother cooked simple meals for them, and Sam always helped her. They did not have much, but they had each other. One day, Sam's mother got very sick. She became weaker and weaker every day. Sam did his best to take care of her. He cooked the meals, cleaned the house, and took care of his brother and sister. He hoped his mother would get better. But deep down, he knew she was very sick. One night, when the stars were bright in the sky, Sam's mother called him to her bedside. Her voice was weak, but her eyes were full of love. "Sam," she said softly, "I need you to promise me something." Sam held his mother's hand and said, "What is it, Mom?" She said, "Promise me that you will take care of your brother and sister. Promise me that you will never give up, no matter how hard life gets." Sam's eyes filled with tears, but he nodded. "I promise, Mom," he said with a trembling voice. His mother smiled and said, "I know you will. You are a good boy, Sam. Always remember that I love you." A few days later, Sam's mother passed away. Sam was very sad, but he remembered his promise. He took care of his brother and sister. They were all very young, but Sam tried his best. He worked very hard to earn money. He did many small jobs like working in the fields, cleaning houses, and carrying water for the villagers. Every day was a struggle, but Sam never gave up. Life was very hard for Sam. He was just a boy, but he had to be strong. He had to be both a brother and a father to his siblings. Sometimes, when his brother and sister were asleep, Sam would cry alone. He cried because he missed his mother. He cried because he was tired. He cried because life was so hard. But he never cried in front of his brother and sister. He wanted to be strong for them. Sam's brother, John, was 8 years old, and his sister, Mary, was 6. They did not understand why their mother was gone. But Sam did his best to comfort them. He made sure they had food to eat and clothes to wear. He helped them with their homework and played with them when he had time. Sam worked many jobs to earn money. He worked in the fields, planting and harvesting crops. He cleaned houses and washed clothes for the villagers. He even carried water from the well to people's homes. It was hard work, but Sam never complained. He knew he had to take care of his family. At night, after working all day, Sam would sit by the small lamp in their house and study. He wanted to learn as much as he could. He wanted to be able to get a better job someday. He studied reading, writing, and math. He practiced speaking English because he knew it would help him find better opportunities. Even though he was always tired, Sam never gave up. He remembered his promise to his mother and kept going. He wanted to make her proud. Years passed, and Sam grew older. He still worked very hard, but he also wanted to learn more. He wanted to study and become better. So he started going to night school. He learned to read and write better. He learned English and practiced speaking every day. He wanted to be able to talk to more people and find better jobs. Sam studied very hard. He would work all day and study all night. He was always tired, but he never gave up. He remembered his promise to his mother and kept going. One day, a man from the city came to the village. He was looking for workers to help in his factory. The man saw how hard Sam worked and offered him a job. It was a good job, and Sam was very happy. He knew this was his chance to make a better life for his family. Sam moved to the city and started working in the factory. He worked very hard and saved as much money as he could. He sent money to his brother and sister so they could go to school too. He wanted them to have a better life than he did. In the city, Sam met a girl named Lily. She was very kind and beautiful. They became good friends. Sam told Lily about his life, his struggles, and his promise to his mother. Lily was very touched by his story. She admired Sam's strength and determination. Sam and Lily spent a lot of time together. They went for walks in the park, talked about their dreams, and supported each other. Their friendship grew stronger every day. Lily encouraged Sam to keep studying and working hard. She believed in him and wanted to see him succeed. One day, Sam decided to take Lily to the village to meet his brother and sister. He wanted them to know the person who had become so important to him. When they arrived at the village, John and Mary were very happy to see Sam. They were also excited to meet Lily. Lily was kind and warm, and she quickly became friends with John and Mary. She played with them, helped them with their homework, and told them stories. John and Mary liked Lily very much and were happy to see Sam so happy. After their visit to the village, Sam and Lily grew even closer. They realized they had fallen in love with each other. Sam felt very lucky to have Lily in his life. She made him happy and gave him strength to keep going. Sam and Lily decided to get married. They wanted to build a life together and support each other. Sam was very happy. He brought his brother and sister to live with him and Lily in the city. They all lived together and were very happy. Even after getting married and starting a new life, Sam never forgot his promise to his mother. He continued to work hard and take care of his family. He always made sure his brother and sister were happy and taken care of. He encouraged them to study hard and follow their dreams. As time went by, Sam's life began to change. John, his younger brother, grew up to be a smart and responsible boy. He studied hard and got a scholarship to study at a good school. Mary, his sister, also worked hard and wanted to become a nurse. Sam felt proud every time he saw them succeed. He knew that all his hard work and sacrifices were worth it. One day, John came to Sam and said, "Brother, I want to become an engineer. I want to make you proud. Everything I have is because of you." Sam smiled and replied, "You already make me proud, John. Just promise me you'll never stop believing in yourself. Mary also came to Sam and said, "Brother, I want to help others the way you helped us. I want to become a nurse and take care of people." Sam hugged them both with tears in his eyes. "You both are my strength," he said. "You are my dream come true." Years passed, and John became a successful engineer. He started working in a big company. Mary finished her nursing school and got a job in a hospital. They were both doing well, living happy lives. One evening, they all sat together, Sam, Lily, John, and Mary, and looked back at their journey. "Do you remember the promise you made to Mother?" Mary asked. Sam nodded with a soft smile. "Yes, I promised I would take care of you both, and I promised never to give up." Lily held his hand and said, "You kept your promise, Sam, and you've become a hero to all of us." Moral of the story: life is not always easy. There will be pain, struggles, and loss. But with love, hard work, and determination, you can overcome anything, even if the world turns its back on you. Never give up. Even if life breaks your heart, never give up. Because those who never give up are the ones who truly succeed.